Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a very delicious dish with the most homemade ingredient, the chicken wings. Stay tuned and welcome to Momo Amazing Food. First I prepare some fresh soybean. Then I chop each wing into 2 pieces. Put the chicken wing in a bowl and add some cold water. To wash the wings and soak out the blood in the chicken, just like this. We need to change the cold water at least 2 times until there is no blood at all. Then prepare some ginger. Add the ginger into the bowl. We need some salt and some sugar, then some light soy sauce, then add some oyster sauce. We also need some starch for marinating. Then add some secret curry paste. You can check out the recipe of the curry paste in my next video or click the info card up here. Now it's time to give the chicken wings a wonderful massage with a hand and mix them well. Adding a few drops of oil to lock the moisture will be perfect. Wrap up the bowl and set still in the fridge for 4 hours. Now it's time to cook the chicken wings. First I add some oil in the pan, then put all the chicken wings on a pan, turn on the heat, and with low heat fry one side a little bit. When you see a nice brown yellow color on the skin, it's time to flip. Also, fry the other side a little bit. Then the chicken is almost medium well. To enhance the flavor, I use some oil in the pan to fry some extra curry powder. The curry flavor is so good. And then mix the sauce and the chicken evenly. Now it's time to add the fresh soybeans. And don't waste the base sauce when marinating the chicken wings. Use some water, get it out and pour into the pan. Then add some more water and cover the lid. Simmer about 5 minutes and take the lid away. And then turn up the heat to reduce sauce until the sauce turns thick and stick to the chicken wings and soybeans evenly. Now it's ready to serve. Wow, this stir-fried curry chicken wings is so amazing. The chicken is soft and tender, but the soybeans is a little bit crunchy, and the curry smells so fragrant. It's easy to cook, and you should give it a try. The recipe is in the description below. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe me and give me a thumbs up. Bon appetit and see you next time.